Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, hey bo, one of the things we can expect to see on Uthando Nesthembu on tonight's episode is that we see Umaxele. I'm guessing Umaxele is the one who's calling Umayeni out on a date or to have lunch or what do they call that, brunch or something like that, because I don't see Umayeni going on her way out for to speak no matter. No, I don't see it. But anyway, part of the things we hear in that, or the snippets that we get to see, is that uNokuzana Umayeni is saying to Maxele ukuthi kuyamangaza ukuthi umuntu angazaguliswe into yakhe. Ayibo, what is Mayeni saying? But guys, everyone has been saying this ukuthi uMusa uguliswa into yakhe, izinto zakhe, isithembu sakhe. I mean, he also indirectly said it himself. He said the reason why, or the thing emstresayo, is that there's no unity. He went on to say ukuthi like abanye don't want to welcome number 5 when there's family trips. What's going to happen to number 5? Because the number 5 has to be there. Njengoba abanye don't want to accept her. But the thing that I was just like, I was looking at Umaxele's facial expression, and Umaxele's facial expression, you could see ukuthi she is judging Umayeni for saying that. Because I mean, Umaxele is of the mindset ukuthi bonke as the wives have contributed to the reason why uMusa is in hospital. Manje Umayeni, when Umayeni is saying ukuthi hayi ukulisa izinto zakhe, like, yo guys, I don't know, because I know ukuthi Umaxele, let me not say I know, but I am expecting that Umaxele is going to say something that is a bit offish in her diary session pertaining Umayeni's statement. I don't know if these women have it in them to disagree on that table like that, because they normally disagree when Umusa is there, but when they just the ladies themselves, they try and keep it really civil. Guys, I don't know. Umayeni this season, she's just like angandaba ukuthi nicabangani ukuthi ngibona kanjani. Yay, suka. I've been staying with this man. This man has been showing me flames, and now I like cartel. But we also see something in a diary session which we saw last week. That's going to be happening on tonight's episode, is that Umayeni is saying that, listen, Lendo Tayabo, he better not come back to me ukuthi ngimnese back to health, because I'm not going to do that. Guys, it does seem kind of insensitive, but listen, we as the public, we can only judge, or we can only comment from what we get to see, which is edited, by the way, guys. But we don't know, we don't get to see ukuthi how does Umusa treat Umayeni throughout the years and what got her to this point of even speaking like this. But I just have a feeling ukuthi all the wives are going to be judging Umayeni, and I just think it's going to cause much more strain between the relationship amongst these wives. Hey guys, but anyway, I just think ukuthi everyone mabaphume kuMayeni, babephume kwindaba zikaMusa benoMayeni, and focus on each other's marriages. No one should be judging ukuthi Umayeni said what. It's between her and uMusa. Musa probably he knows Umayeni ukuthi njani. Once he is well, he will sort it out with his wife. The rest of the other wives abaphume kuye bandla, they must just leave it to us as the public to comment on it, because I have a feeling if any of those wives decide to say anything to Umayeni is gonna put them in their place. Anyway guys, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.